we'll guide you through how to enhance your Asana practice for better productivity and team collaboration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to customize your workspace to suit your needs. Click on the avatar icon at the top right corner, then select My Profile Settings. Here, you can adjust your notification settings, change the theme, and even set your working hours to align with your schedule. Next, to enhance your task management, you need to utilize Asana's project templates. Go to the Projects tab on the left sidebar and click Create Project. Choose from a variety of templates like Content Calendar or Product Launch Plan, which can save you a lot of time in setting up a new project. After creating a project, you should make use of the Timeline view. Click on the Timeline tab at the top of your project page. This visual representation helps you understand the project flow and deadlines better, allowing for easy adjustments to keep your team on track. Don't forget to take advantage of Asana's automation feature to streamline repetitive tasks. Click on the Automation button within a project and explore rules and triggers that can automatically assign tasks, set due dates, or update task statuses. This can drastically cut down on manual work and prevent bottlenecks. Lastly, to improve communication, integrate Asana with communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Go to Start menu and Settings Bench. Go to Apps in the left sidebar, find the app you want to integrate with, and follow the instructions to connect it. This ensures that all project updates and discussions are easily accessible. By following these steps, you'll be maximizing the effectiveness of your Asana workspace, leading to improved team performance and project outcomes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.